Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through how to add your phone number on the Discord app for PC, step by step, using the new update. Adding your phone number helps secure your account and makes it easier to recover if you ever get locked out. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your computer and log in if you aren't already logged in. Once you're inside, look to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon next to your username. Click on that to open up the User Settings menu. Now, under the User Settings section, you'll see a tab called My Account. Most of the time, it will already be selected by default, but if it's not, go ahead and click on it to bring up your account details. On this page, you'll find your username, email, and various account options. Look for the section labeled Phone Number. To the right of that, you'll see an Add button. Click on it to start the process of adding your phone number. A prompt will appear where you can type in your phone number. Enter the number you'd like to use for your account. Make sure it's a number you have easy access to, since Discord will send you a security code that you'll need in the next step. Once you've entered your phone number, complete the quick security checks if prompted. These help verify you're the rightful user making the change. After that, check your phone for a 6-digit verification code that Discord just sent to you via text message. Type that 6-digit code into the box on your screen. Next, Discord will ask you to confirm it's really you by entering your account password. Go ahead and type your password, then click the Confirm button. That's it. Your phone number is now successfully added to your Discord account. From here, you'll enjoy better account security and an easier way to recover access if you ever lose your login information. If this tutorial was helpful, be sure to keep exploring more tips and tricks so you can make the most out of Discord.